Hey there, people. Well, it's Thursday afternoon. We're on the road. It's been a while since I went scrapping, and I really need the coin now, so let's go try to make some of that coin. Well, let's hope we find more than just this little bed frame. It's really not looking too good. A bed frame. Anyway, that'll give me a chance to clean out my yard. And go back home and take my washer and dryer out and bring the new washer and dryer in, and got a bunch of barbecue frames and stuff that we'll load up tonight and bring back tomorrow. It'd be nice to find some more stuff today, but what can you do? Well, that kind of sucks. One bed frame. Well, at least I got a guy who wants to give me $5 a piece for them. So yeah, I spent maybe $10 in gas. If I sell that for $5, then I'm in a hole $5. Anyway, gives me time to clean up my shit. We'll just load whatever I have in the yard. Shelly's stripping the net for a friend at work. So we'll go inside, take the other washer and dryer out, and we'll bring these two in. Okay, so we're in the dungeon. We'll pull these two out. Well, I got the old ones out. Let's get the old new ones in. Well, my little 5-minute job's gonna take a lot longer than that. I thought I'd take that. I had an outside door. I took that out. No, I'm gonna have to take this door out too. Stupid old houses. Just to make it more difficult, I got a flat. Well, I got them both in. I'm gonna try them both before I reinstall that door. They better work. Buddy said they do work, so we'll see. The dryer works. It's a bit louder than my old one, but it's got a little bit bigger capacity. Seems to be working fine. Alright, let's get the washer installed. Good thing I didn't test the washer. I just noticed Shelly's in the shower. She would have been in for a surprise. So anyway, let's go outside and load some scrap in the truck. Well, I think I'm pretty safe to load the old dryer. Like, I won't strip any copper out of it till, I don't know, we'll give the dryer a good run tonight. So we'll save the stripping for tomorrow. I gotta load all that shit. So they both seem to be working awesome. This is its second cycle. I'm throwing this shit in there so to get all the cooties out. This thing's pretty quiet actually. Alright, I already reinstalled my door, so we're good to go with that. But I still gotta go outside and load the rest of my crap. It got dark out now. Alright, we're all loaded. I had a lot more than I thought I did. I even had to tie some stuff down. Lots of goodies. Alright, now it is time for beers. Let's go. Well, I'm done playing Tetris for the day. I mean, that's what it felt like getting the washer dryer in, loading the truck up. It's like a big game of Tetris. At least I got something to take back to the scrapyard tomorrow, that's all good. It's a bigger load than I thought it would be. Well, that's for friggin' sure. Cheers. I just want to thank everybody who wished my cat all the best there with her problems, but she's actually she's changed. She's become playful for some reason. She's bringing me her little mice. She's running around like a little kitten again. I don't know if it's, I don't know. It's only been since Monday. She's been eating only this. She's really changed. So we'll see. We got to take her to the vet on Tuesday, and we'll see what happens. Anyway, people, cheers. Thanks for watching. Tomorrow's Friday, party night. We'll see what happens. Later. Here's Scrappy's favorite toy. Watch this. Like, she'll bring that anywhere. Like, when I wake up, it's there at my feet. Go to the bathroom, it's there. Come downstairs, it's there. It's at the computer. It's like, or a thing. Little Scrappy. She's a little brat. Spoiled little brat with all these tubes. Yep. It's hours of excitement. Cats are cool.